Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show how you can enable Siri on your iPhone or in new iOS 26 update. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your settings here and scroll down and find Siri option, click it and go to talk to Siri. This is the option, click it, and here you can enable Siri in two methods. Here is option press side button for Siri. If I enable this one and select enable Siri, if I press the side option is to just say hey Siri, Siri or hey Siri to wake up the Siri. So I'm going to select this option hey Siri here. uh, let's do it again, hey Siri here, and select continue. And after selecting continue, I have to repeat some phrase to activate the Siri. Just you have to just watch that. Select continue. And I go back and just command hey Siri. This is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.